This is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm at Dorval, and I've got an intermodal train coming through at about 5:15 p.m. August 11th, 2020. And the clouds are getting angrier and angrier. So I'll be going home after this one. Really a bit of everything in this train. Intermodal, tank cars, and everything here. SD70 ACU was on the beginning of the train, on the front, and if you notice, the DPU was pretty close to the beginning as well. It was like probably 10 cars back. And it looked like an AC 4400 CWM steel. They're slowing this down for the yard. That's the end of the train. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.